Today, I will show you how this factory processes fresh papaya from the very beginning to the final packaged product. This entire process is done step by step under strict quality and hygiene control. These papayas arrive here early every morning directly from nearby farms.
At this stage, we manually check each papaya and remove any damaged or overripe fruit.
We separate papayas by size so every batch stays consistent during processing.
Here, we wash the papayas thoroughly to remove dust, soil, and surface impurities. The constant rotation ensures every side of the fruit is cleaned evenly.
After washing, we allow the water to drain naturally before cutting. We prepare our tools carefully to maintain speed and safety during cutting.
We cut each papaya evenly so the next steps remain consistent. At this step, we remove all the seeds so the texture stays clean and smooth. We check every piece again to make sure no seeds or defects remain. This machine cuts the papaya into equal slices for consistent cooking.
We collect the slices carefully so they don't stick together. Now the papaya is ready to be cooked under controlled conditions.
We control the temperature carefully so the papaya softens without breaking. The amount of sugar is added according to a fixed recipe. Continuous mixing helps maintain even texture and flavor. We test softness before moving to the next stage. Cooling stops the cooking process and stabilizes the texture.
After cooling, we inspect the slices to ensure the texture is stable. We check flavor balance before packaging begins.
This machine controls portion size for every pack.
All containers are aligned before filling starts.
The filling process is fully automatic to maintain hygiene.
Proper lid placement is important before sealing. This heat seal keeps the product fresh and secure. We print batch and expiry details for traceability.
Labels show product information and branding. We manually inspect seals to ensure nothing leaks.
This final check helps us catch even small packaging issues before boxing.
Every pack passes through metal detection for safety.
This system counts and groups the packs accurately. Boxes are formed automatically to save time and ensure strength.
Each box is filled with the exact number of packs.
Hi, Papaya can block.
We also check boxes manually to confirm accuracy.
This sealing keeps the boxes secure during transport.
These labels help us track every shipment.
Finished products are stored here before dispatch.
We maintain controlled temperature to preserve freshness.
Before dispatch, we randomly inspect boxes to confirm everything is correct.
Wrapping keeps the boxes stable during transportation.
We move pallets slowly to avoid any damage.
These trucks are temperature controlled for safe delivery. All shipment details are verified before trucks leave.
The product is now ready to reach customers.
Every step here follows strict quality standards.
We clean the factory after every production cycle. This is how fresh papaya is transformed into a finished product inside this factory.
Refrigeration is required. Thank you for watching the complete process.